Hello everyone. I'm just going to shoot a quick video here so you can see what I'm going to start with for a rammed earth test. I've been doing some research on rammed earth and I think it'd be really cool because it's a finished product that instead of like those dome houses that we've been creating there with our neighbor has been doing all of that, it doesn't require any finishing on the outside. When you make a rammed earth wall, maybe it's just a feature wall in your house. You know, it strips off and it can be quite decorative, and it's finished completely when you strip the forms. So I'm going to do a test here, which is totally probably against the rules of everything to do with rammed earth, because I'm going to actually make this stairs, redo these stairs with that form that I made there, which will make it a very high traffic area, and it will get beaten on, and it's going to tell me how durable is rammed earth. So it's just a small project. As you can see, these stairs here have failed, very poorly done, all crooked, all as you can imagine. If any of you, those of you that know me, know that that's going to drive me crazy every day, that crooked step that somebody built there. So I'm going to rip that out, and then I'm going to go to this form here, and I'm going to place it in the right place. It's just sitting here as an example so you can see what I built. I built this form just 2 steps, just like that, 2 steps, except mine will be level and even steps up. But you can see here what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a few little extra details in this. Let's see if I can hold this and show you. I'm going to have this front part. Well, first you can see it's all tied together with what they call in rammed earth is whalers. Are these, in this case, 2x4s, because it's not very much rammed earth in there and it's not very heavy. So I've used 2x4s and plywood here, crisscrossed at the corners with screws in between. So I've created the first step and second step, so it'll come like this. This area here will fill right up to level with this plywood you can see inside of here. So we'll make plywood across here, which will bring it, see if you can see better in this lighting on this side. There you go. Okay, which will bring, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a 5% granito, so it's decomposed granite mix. The soil that we have here is just like that. It's all decomposed granite, so it's the perfect kind of soil for this kind of product. And I'll stabilize it with 5% cement, and we'll fill this. So the first step will fill from here up, and this little strip that I put here is a 45-degree cant strip, and we'll fill it to even with this. And then, as you can see, if you look really closely there, there's a pencil line 2 inches up from that. That will be the top of the step. And in this 2 inches, I'm going to increase the mix of the concrete to make it more durable. So it'll be like, almost like a concrete cap on top of the rammed earth, although I'm not going to make it completely concrete. It's going to be just a stronger mix of cement in with it and still do compact earth in here. And so what'll happen is this will be a different color. The top step part, the tread, will look different, and it'll have a V-joint because in the form here I have this cant strip, so it'll make a V-joint there. So it'll make it all the way around the step, which will be kind of neat. And it's going to do the same thing when you come up to the second step. We'll have the same thing. The mix will come even with the top of the plywood here, but it'll have a divider line between the 2 different kinds of layers. So it'll look kind of nice, a little bit more refined in there. And then this front part here, what I'll have to do is I'll compact all this earth in the first step, and then this riser is actually in 2 parts, and it will have bracing this way. Once it's leveled up and installed, I'll brace everything, including the back corners, how they attach to the wall. All that will require bracing as well. But this riser will split in 2 during filling. So once I'm filled up in here, I will remove this bottom part so that I can make this tread go all the way through and hit against the rammed earth that I've got in the second part already. So that's going to be the little project. Just a small project so that we can see how does the rammed earth hold up, and You know, it's on a flat surface, it's out in the elements, it's going to be walked on. It's a worst case scenario for rammed earth. And if it can take this out here, it's going to be great for an interior wall in the house. And it'll give us an idea how our soil will work for a rammed earth application and what kind of colors we're going to end up getting from this. So hope you enjoy that. We'll keep you abreast of how it goes. I'll show you when we strip it down, and you can see the finished product then. Make it a great day. Bye for now.